Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to pay Home Credit Philippines in BPI mobile application. So let's start with the first step, which is to open BPI mobile application and log in with your username and password, or you can also use your biometrics. Now you will land on the home screen showing your account balance and quick actions. So you just have to tap on the pay bills. Next step is on pay bills screen, use the search bar to type Home Credit, and from there you have to select Home Credit Philippines from the results. So it is listed under the loans category. Next step is enter your payment details. So you just have to fill in your 13-digit home credit contract number found in your home credit application or SOA. Now you have to enter the amount that you want to pay and choose the source account. So you just have to tap on continue. Next step is confirm with OTP. So review the payment summary, the biller, contract number, total amount, and source of account. So BPI sends a 6-digit OTP to your registered mobile number. So you just have to wait for it and enter it and tap confirm. Lastly is payment successful. Now you will see a confirmation with reference number and timestamp. So you just have to tap on download receipt to save a copy. So Home Credit usually posts the payment within 1 to 2 business days. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!